Hello there. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how to get started with SQL change automation in SSMS. So the first step is going to be to install. Let's take a look. So here I've downloaded both my SQL Toolbelt installer and also SQL Change Automation installer itself. Either avenue is perfectly good. If I was going from the Toolbelt installer, then I need to make sure I'm only selecting the specific plugins I'm interested in. But for now, I'm going to go from the actual Change Automation installer. So once that has opened up the actual install wizard, I can select what I'd like to install. And now we have the option to install SQL Change Automation into both Visual Studio and SSMS. And I can select which option suits me. So I'm going to select the option to install into SSMS only. If I'm happy with the licensing agreement, then I can hit accept. I have the option to change the directory, but in my case, I'm happy with the default. So I'll just hit install, and then that is going to be pushed out. Okay, we also now have the requirement to reboot the machine once this is done. So I'm going to do that now. I do also have the option to restart later if required though. Okay, so let's say I've restarted, and let's take a look at what has changed in Management Studio. All right then, so Management Studio has loaded up. Once I open the actual window itself, we can see that we've now got the SQL Change Automation plugin that's been added in alongside my SQL Source Control plugin. So now I'm free to start using the SQL Change Automation plugin and getting underway source controlling my database using migrations.